relationship, to give yourself to her in love and work, to invite her fully into your being so that she can know who you are, to cherish her above all others, and to respect her individually by encouraging her to be herself and grow in all that God intended?
I do.
Thank you. And we all hear that. Okay, to Moon, do you take Lou to be your husband? And do you commit yourself to him to be responsible in the marriage relationship, to give yourself to him in love and work, to invite him fully into your being so that he can know who you are, to cherish him above all others, and to respect him individually by encouraging him to be himself and grow in all that God intends? Thank you. And we all here as well. Now we are going to the vows to be done by both of them. So Lou and Moon face each other and join hands. And to the groom, you will repeat after me. I take you, Moon,
I take you, Moon,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise before God
I promise before God
and these witnesses,
and with these witnesses
to be your faithful husband,
to be your faithful husband,
to share with you
to share with you
in plenty
in plenty
and in want,
and in want,
in joy and in sorrow,
in joy and in sorrow,
in sickness
in sickness
and in health,
and in health,
to forgive
to forgive
and strengthen
and strengthen,
and to join with you
and to join with you,
so that together we may serve God
so that together we may serve God.
and other as long as we both shall live.
And so as long as we both should live.
Now the bride's turn. I take you, Lou, to be my husband. I promise before God and these witnesses to be your faithful wife, to share with you in plenty and in want, in joy and in sorrow, in sickness and in health, to forgive and to strengthen and to join with you so that together we may serve God and others as long as we both shall live. All right. May I have the ring, please? So every covenant has a sign of a symbol to remind each party of the responsibility he or she brings to the covenant in a relationship. These rings are a symbol of your love. These rings, it is visible. It is visible, and it's remind to you and all others that what you have promised, you will do. Wear them as a constant reminder that you are pledged together and committed to one another for life. And Lou, you will take this ring and then place it to your bride fingers and repeat after me. after me. This ring I give to you as a symbol of my love. And I pledge to you my royalty and my devotion until we are separated by death. And now, Moon will place the ring to Blue. This ring I give to you